Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And this week on the old Magic Roundabout, we're going a bit modern. Well, sort of modern. We've got a Matchbox Superkings 911 Porsche. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. So we're going to see if we can do something with this. Now, as you watch this go around, just like to say this is from a weekly challenge, my weekly upload, but it also covers two others. It covers the DMC monthly challenge, which is any sports car, and it also covers Maple Leaf, Andrew at Maple Leaf's Customs, his 4th year anniversary. So I thought I'd get them all done under one video, and that's this one. Okay, I'd like to welcome any new friends of the channel. Welcome aboard. Welcome back all the old friends of the channel. Okay then, let's get this off the Magic, get it on a bench, and have a good look at it. All right then, let's have a look. Matchbox Superkings Porsche 911 Carrera, 1989. I think it's got written on the base there. Yeah, Matchbox International. Opening doors. It's tight. No steering wheel. Yep. Black interior, bucket seats. Now, I'm not a fan of these wheels, so I'm going to change them. And what I have got, I have a pullback toy. I've got some of these. These look more like what I want. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna use those. I've drilled the base, 3 posts, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, there she comes off. There's your standard bits and bobs. We'll get rid of them because I don't want them. Get rid of them. That's your base. Easy peasy. Right, so look at the interior. I've got something I can hook that out with. You're just gonna pop out, yeah. Yeah, just pops out. No big deal there. Dashboard sits on top. Just got to get a steering wheel for it. I'm sure I can find one. That's your dash. Nothing fantastic. Look, not boring really. Your backlight, your main backlight. That's looks like it's pushed in. Oh, but it's broke anyway. So not only is it pushed in, it was broke anyway. Or I broke it, one or the other, but it's broke anyway. But that glue that back together, not a big deal. We can do that. And there's two rivets holding this little windscreen. That's a bit overkill, isn't it? Well, I've done that, and I can't get it out. So the doors, I will probably. They're very tight. I don't know quite why they're tight. They're tight as that. Bloody tight. I might faff about with this spring a little bit, actually. See what we can do with that. Get some of that paint out from underneath it. That might help. I don't like taking the doors off this type of action anyway. Anyway, we'll have a look at that in a minute when I get this window screen out. You get this screen out. There's no door cards in here. It wasn't designed to have door cards. As you can see, it's got the pattern for the door there inside there. Not very good, but it has. Yeah. You can see if you look down here, look at the bow in that there. That's really tight. That's why they're so stiff. Because that's so flipping tight there. Look at that. Got a little bow on it. Yeah, I think it was a bit tight, that, isn't it? Anyway, at least they won't come out, and they'll stay in position when I'm painting it. I can get them about halfway, like that. I like to get them about halfway so you can just get a bit of a spray in between. Yeah. Right, I'm going to have to drill these out because that's too close for a soldering iron. Too close to the back window and the front window. So I'm going to have to drill these. It's a shame because there's hardly anything on them, but I don't want to risk cracking the screen because I've got another one. But I always say that and I go and do it, don't I? So, no, I'll get my drill. Yeah, that's it, stripped, got it out. Yeah, just use a little bit of a bigger drill bit and got it out. So now we'll see about getting this in the caustic soda and drill some posts. They're a bit thin, but we'll get through them. I might screw this base on because these are a bit thin, these posts here. For the rivets I use in the drill bit, I might use screw them on. Make a change, won't it? Right, we've got the old Porsche stripped out. Been in, I had to do it in the, I started off in the caustic soda, ended up in the paint stripper bath because the yellow was so stubborn. Not a great casting, to be honest with you. Quite rough. Considering this Matchbox, it's a bit of a mess. You look all around here, there. I mean, a lot of it is, some of it has been where it's bashed around, but a lot of it is really bad casting. You can see the different layers where it's there and there as you go along. You can see there and there, round there, round here. Very shabby. On the roof, there, big lumps on the roof there, look at that. The one that paint wouldn't come off, they put that much paint on it to cover it all up. Right across the bonnet there, all round here, very, very shabby. Very shabby. Anyway, it is what it is. We've got to work with it. So I'm going to get the files out. I'm going to file this the hell out of this and sand it and clean it. Do what we can with it, especially around this side. Now I was going to do this black. It's going to be like a diamond black. But I was talking to a friend of mine, and she says, oh, I've always wanted a Porsche. And I said, oh yeah, because it's obviously with this, it's a DMC and it's Maple Leaf's anniversary, and it's part of the thing is to give it away. So I said, well, I'm doing a Porsche at the minute, because I did say to her about it. She said, I like Porsches. So I said, well, all right then. I said I was going to do it black. She said, no, I don't like black. And I said, what do you want then? So she said, you got like a rose gold. And I thought, a rose gold? She said, yeah, with a white interior. So I thought, oh yeah, okay. So it so happens I was at the shops the other day, and I went into one of the like cheaper shops, and they had some tins of paint in there, and lo and behold, one of them was rose gold. Hold on a second. There you go. All gold. Rose gold. Metallic. So it's going to be rose gold. I'll probably put it over a white undercoat, and the interior will be white, so that'll be interesting, won't it? And I'm not sure about the wheels yet, whether to go, I'm not sure about the wheels. I'm not going to do them white, that's for sure. I might put these rose gold on the wheels as well, or again I might leave them, because I think they might be okay actually. I might leave them because that's the wheels, and I think I'll probably just leave them as they are. Yeah. So that's what it's going to be like. It's going to be different, that's for sure. Okay, I've got this as best I can at the minute. I've got most of the rubbish off the roof, and on the bonnet is a faint trace there. Went round these wings, got the best I can out of them, especially around the back here. The door's a lot better. So yeah, we worked it and done it. We're going to put some primer on it now and see what it comes out like. This is our Porsche, all painted and lacquered in the rose gold. quite nice and sparkly. The lady who's going to have this has been had a look at it. She said it's nice. She likes the sparkle. She was impressed with the sparkle. So yeah, well, you know. And we had a discussion about the interior. We went off the white and we've gone with like the dark red, really brown. That's more impressive. And we've gone with the gloss black wheels. Her choice. So it's her car. Number plate's on. I put that light back in after gluing it. I put that in so it would dry in place. Indicator lights on, headlights painted. Yeah, glass is back in now. What I put the glass in with, I've been using a product, not in this project, but I use it in this, called Beacon 3-in-1 Advanced Craft Glue. It dries clear. There you go. I use this on the other projects that I do. So I thought I'd try it on these windscreens, and it works. Sets good. It's light tacky, so it grabs it. Yeah, so we're all done. Notice the number plate. MDD 100. Private plate. Courtesy of Mr. Neil Austin from Wet Works. Yeah, so there you go. Right, and then I've got the wheels back on. So we're going to assemble this now. So it shouldn't take 5 minutes to put this together. We'll do it now, shall we? Don't need the mat out for it. Just shove that in there, like so. I'd better just open the doors, just let it go about its business. Make sure it's in there. Yeah, that's fine. There you go. I'm putting a screw base on this, just in case there's a change of colour needed, if you know what I mean. If there's a colour change needed, it's always there if it's needed. Right. Wait one, I'm not quite happy. I think I know something wrong here somewhere. I think I know what it is. There you go, that's it, that's got it. That's it better now. Yeah, that'll sit better. There you go, the back end's back down again. Yeah, it was, where them back lights fit, there's 2 tongues in there. And the thing was, when I put it back in, because it was broken, I had to be very careful with it. And I didn't want to muck about with it once it was in. And the interior just clips over the back of it, and that's what the problem was there. So a couple of screwies in here, and we're done. I've got a heater back now. I went to the local boatyard. I should have thought of that before, and I didn't. I should have done, because I used to have bloody boats down there as well. So, no, I didn't twig on. And he said, yes, mate, got plenty. So there you go. I've been popped down this morning and I got some. Well, there we go. All done. And it's rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Rawhide. Okay, let's get on the magic. Let's have a look at it. This is what we started with. Matchbox Superkings Porsche 911. Tatty, scruffy. So have a look. See what we've done to it. See if you like it. Have a look at this. Here we are then. All done and dusted. Excuse me. It's all done and dusted. This is our Porsche Carrera. Yeah, we done this one, changed it from the yellow into this rose gold. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Sell Matchbox Superkings. And this video was done one for my weekly upload, and taking into consideration the DMC monthly challenge of any sports car, and also Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs, his 4th year anniversary, and that was any Porsche. So slung them all together, chuck them in a pot, mix it up, and this is what you got. Private plates, courtesy of Neil from Hellboy 59's Diecast Wetworks. There you go. Hellboy 59 Diecast Wetworks. He sent me a shop card and some private plates for me. So I thought I'd just chuck them on here. Yeah, so the lady recipient of this is quite impressed with it. She likes it. So there you go. So that's one we'll give away. Okay then, onwards and upwards to the next one then. And we'll see you all again next week with, where are we? Because I'm working in front here. It will probably be the donations and purchases again. See what we've got. Okay, well, look after yourselves, be happy, and enjoy whatever you're doing. And we'll see you all again next week. So, bye for now.